Your all's lesson for today is going to be creating a color wheel. This is going to be very similar to the other color wheel that we've done before, where you are just using red, yellow, and blue. And just as before, you need to start with yellow because everything eats yellow for breakfast. However, this time we're going to go ahead and put all of our colors down first with the red, yellow, and blue. Make sure to clean out your brushes between every dip in the color, and then we're going to use a combination of wet on wet and wet on dry as color combinations. Now, to start off with, I would suggest that you wet the middle of the paper in between the 2 points of color you're going to make, and then drag the wet paint into those circles of water that you made. And it's going to make a smooth transition where the water meets with the paint and it kind of blends itself. So the first one is going to be a wet on wet blend, where you're trying to blend the colors just straight with yellow and red and let the water do the blending. The next set of color wheel that you're going to be doing, you're going to be mixing the colors in between. So you're going to be mixing the secondary and tertiary colors, and you are going to slowly build those colors up and paint them down in between the colors that you make. This is going to be more like the color wheels that we made previously, where you were to actually create all the in-between colors. This time you're doing the same thing, but with watercolor. So make sure that you do all the in-between colors. Just mix a little bit more of every color until you get to the where you want it to be. For instance, if you start with yellow, just mix a little bit of more red every time until you get to red. Now you're going to do this with all the different color combinations, which is yellow red, yellow blue, and then red blue. Now, once you get done with those color combinations, then I want you to try and do something that's a little bit different. We're going to see how you mix different colors together, and I want you to try and do complementary colors. So pick some complementary colors which are opposite each other on the color wheel and see if you can mix those together and see how they blend from one color to another, and you'll see how that transition works. Okay, that is going to be it for today's lesson. In case you all have any questions for me, please let me know, and I hope you enjoy it.